Since 1984, Durafin Tube has been a trusted leader in the manufacturing of finned and enhanced tubes, proudly serving a diverse range of industries, including boilers, aerospace, chemical plants, oil and gas, transportation, coolers, dryers, and more. Operating from two state-of-the-art facilities in Minerva and Carrollton, Ohio, totaling over 300,000 square feet, we combine decades of expertise with a relentless commitment to quality. Our proven process. At Durafin Tube, we follow a time-tested process to deliver custom solutions that are tailored to your specific needs. Here's how we bring your vision to life. Step 1. Understanding your needs. We start by engaging in detailed conversations to fully understand your unique requirements. This ensures that our product solutions are specifically tailored to meet your goals. Step 2. Product design. Our experienced sales team and engineers work closely with you to explore our 30-plus standard products or collaborate on a custom design to ensure we meet or exceed your expectations. Step 3. Prototyping and testing. With our in-house tool and die shop, alongside our enhanced tube experts, we build one-off prototypes. These prototypes are rigorously tested to ensure they meet the highest standards of quality and performance. Step 4. Revisions and final testing. After analyzing prototype results, we make necessary adjustments and conduct final tests to ensure the product exceeds your expectations. Step 5. Full-scale production. We offer flexible manufacturing solutions for full-scale production, including stocking programs, just-in-time shipments, and repeat orders to meet your ongoing needs. Whether it's a one-off prototype or a full OEM production run, partner with Durafin Tube for innovative and efficient heat transfer solutions, designed to meet your needs every step of the way.